Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Shoot. I am Victor Tong, your host, and as you know, being a photographer myself, I am actually learning a lot of new things about videography each and every single day. And recently, I've came across rolling shutter. What is rolling shutter? I think it is a good topic to share with you guys as I learn as well. So let me just put this down and sit down right in the middle of nowhere and tell you more about camera science. So what happens when you take a still or a video? Instead of scanning the whole frame all at once, your camera sensor will actually scan from the top to the bottom. To make it easier to understand, let's think about a photocopier machine. When you scan an object and you move it around, the end result will become distorted. So now let's try it out on the Panasonic S1H and also the GH6. So I will start with the full frame Lumix S1H, and because of its larger sensor, it will actually take a longer processing time. The rolling effect will be much more visible. Alright, so now we will test out the Lumix GH6. Of course, it is a Micro Four Thirds camera and also having a smaller sensor. Together with the new Venus engine, it should actually show lesser rolling shutter. Alright, so it's done. Let me show you now the comparison between the Lumix S1H and also the Lumix GH6. Well, in terms of handling rolling shutter, the Micro Four Thirds GH6 is the winner here. But that should not be your deciding factor because both sensor type, the full frame and the Micro Four Thirds, has got its own advantages and disadvantages. And when it comes to rolling shutter, most camera in the industry now has got the same problem. Well, let's wrap things up for today. And I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I did while filming it. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.